took a little ride on the John Deere here. This is where a tree fell over. So earlier today I came down here with the kids and the chainsaw. We chopped it up, put it in the Kubota, carried it up to the fire pit. We realized our fire pit needed to be improved, so we fixed that. Now I'll go show you a nice little fire bundle we got going. Let me show you guys the fire we built. It's me and the kids just made a little fire pit a while back, and one problem I'm having today is it's a bit windy. But I think, we got the hose handy if we have to. We can hose it down if it's out of control. I got a little more wood up there against the fence, so that's what we've been doing today. We rebuilt the fire pit, made it a little bigger, a little deeper, more rocks, packed some mud into it. And there you go, man. We're going to have ourselves a little fall bonfire here about 5 o'clock. And y'all are invited. Yeah, the old John Deere, man, it gets around. This thing will go through some stuff. Right now, I'm just gonna put it away. Oh, I think it's put away. This guy looks thirsty, man. What's up with that?
Could have waited. No toy has returned in or out of the fire. And will Captain America be able to do it? Well, we'll have to see in this amazing adventure of Captain America! To the toys now.
Is it going to catch or not? One tiny little flame? Will it do it?
Sure.
Just one little flame. It's working its way in there, but I think it's going to go out. No, here it is. There's something going on over here now.
That's on America. He searches the area, wondering if the volcano's dormant. Hearing the crackling sound shows that the volcano will explode. Unfortunately, fixing the dead lab is too valuable.
The leaves aren't burning near as good as I was hoping.
You saw all smoke coming out of the volcano. So knowing that the volcano might explode.
It might. Or it might just go out.
Nobody knows.
You got a lot of leaves in there, but they don't seem to be doing what I was expecting.
A bunch of smoke. He searches. He goes steps toward the volcano even closer.
Okay, I think it's actually going to go now.
And then he steps back, waiting for the explosion.
Oops. Sorry. I was just trying to put some fuel on it. Get some methane in there. Okay, you're going to have to step back, John.
Just in time, trying to get a little bit
Well, it's a good-looking bonfire. You guys did a great job building it. But that's all those leaves, I bet. The leaves are all sizzling up.
Really close to the fire so that you can see it. At a close-up view, no boy and never returned to it. Taking pictures. And of it. All the little leaves ran from it. Waiting.
Okay, you got to stay upwind of the fire, John. Do you know what upwind means? Look where I am, John.
Okay.
Alright, it's going to get serious now.
Waiting to find them and see them in action. The rare Desi won 8 points, but he's not even from the field because they melt and then eat them up. Oh, no, that's why no one has to go. Only one creature on Earth has ever survived, the fire horde who've been frozen in stone for thousands of years. So it's pretty much useless, especially not good to talk about it. Anyway. Wind and...
John, don't go near the fire. When your toy catches on fire and starts to melt, just deal with it, okay?
For real, don't jump up there and
Yeah, because you can't rescue it.
Why?
Because you'll catch on fire.
You will get on fire.
You have to use a very, very, very long stick.
Yeah.
I'll get that stick out.
I'll get him away from there now, okay? It's getting too hot for him. Captain America, you've got to back up. Dude.
But he loses his leg.
Oh.
But he... That worked. The giant guy that he did not do. He walked in. He came a long arc. An arc. Oh, bam! Shing, doing a ninja slap. Oh, and twisting him around crazy. Then he kicks. Yo! Oh, punches. And the knock starts to lock her out. These ladies, their sticklers came on.
America.
I made it do that.
Oh, you did it with magic.
Magical power.
And magical powers. Magical. Big leg Captain America, what do you think of the volcano? It's sizzling. I think this wood was a little bit on the green side still, by the looks of it. Definitely boiling out some meat. Blowing down. We've got this nice line of trees all around us. It pretty much protects us from the direct wind. And you can really see them whipping around up there. I love watching the trees move, man. They really get wiggling sometimes.